what might be happening? You gonna stretch those arms out again? Oh, come on. You can stretch them. You can stretch them. Oh, yeah. Get the hand going. Get that arm way up there. Oh. What about this one? Get you one arm. Just a one arm stretch. Yeah.
Oh, she's got her eyes open part of the time.
How are you? Yeah. Do you have a good nap?
Oh, look at her stretch.
That stretch. Oh, such a good stretch. Good girl. One eye. She's all done. That's
She's gonna
it.
go back to sleep now.
Show's over.
Hell, she's got to eat.
Show's over.
It's 10:30.
Done.